Alright. So we'll snake it in here. We'll kind of shove it down. Then bring it back up. Straddle it here. I'm going to go ahead and just right in there. Boom, right there. There we go. So now we'll go up. See it? Bring it up a little more. Yeah. A little more. Good? Oh, a little more? I thought I said no more. I couldn't get the one closest to me. I had to go to the one farther back because that was the one that was higher up. Alright. Cool. Very nice. Yep. Alright, so, oh, you know, there's less threads or less splines to drive through. That's what it was. Oh, okay. Cool. That's nice. I'm going to shove this cam in here. Oh, wow, that is easy. Man, it looks awesome. Sweet. Alright, ready for the other side? Sure, why not? Alrighty guys, so we're going back together here. Gonna get the whatever it is though. I forget what this is. The thing that I'm working on here. I'll let you know if it does. Wait, then. Oh, here. Oh, you need the anti-seize. Oh, yeah. Please give me the anti-seize. Anti-seize! Alright, so that's it's pretty close there. There's a little bit of space, but we can work with it. Righty, we'll stuff these bolts with a little bit of anti-seize. That way it makes it easier to come off later on. Which we hope would be like never. At some point in our dreams, we hope to get Amy her 69 Camaro that's white with orange stripes. First she wants the CX-9. Oh yeah, she wants the CX-9 thing. Yeah. Gotta keep the priorities. Yeah, I gotta keep the priorities straight. Well, I don't know. Is that really a straight priority? What? I don't think that's quite straight. The priority of that doesn't sound quite right. A CX-9 over a Camaro. You guys let us know what you think about that. There's plenty of functionality. It's American. It's American made. Alright, now I gotta remember all my sizes. And that's 21 there. Got my big 21 there. Okay. And I know I have my 15 right here somewhere, guys. What are you? You're 18. Oh, that's what I need. I need an 18 anyways. Good. Okay. Very good. Ready? Good. You can borrow my 15. I can borrow your 15 now? Alright, tighten all this up here. Hold that. There we go. Alrighty. You definitely don't want to put your sway bar link back in, because it really helps out. That space. They have that little bit of extra space. So yeah, definitely don't want to do that. Oh, that would work better. Huh? Yep. Alrighty, good. Got that. So let's work on Mr. 18 here. Oh, Mr. 20 actually. Oh, well, one loose. No, alright, okay. It's just not there yet. It's not gripping. There we go. Alrighty, we'll get that tightened in here. Hey, it's going in pretty good. Yeah, and the front. Alrighty. Now we use the ratchet. Big boy. Got a gap. Slowly coming together. Do some on the top here. Do some more on the bottom here. Let Todd check all the tightness.
Charlie Brown yelling back there. He was going to hit the football.
Oh, he was hitting the football?
I remember when he was screaming like that.
Yeah. Ready? Well, yeah, check these tightness here. See how tight it is?
Kicker tightness.
Tightness. It's tight.
See if we tighten it. Where am I? What am I doing here? Oh,
that's your top.
Switch it so you can get a little extra oops. Oops daisy. Oh yeah.
You gotta do both sides of the turn.
That one's not.
It's not turning anymore?
No.
Okay, it happened.
We'll probably have to adjust it anyway, so it doesn't have to be monster tight.
Right.
But it needs to be.
It needs to be tight so we can take it on the road without worrying.
Alright.
Cool.
I think we're good.
Nice.
I propose, before we
put on
put the rest of it, I propose we do lunch.
I propose we do that too. Good. Okay. So we'll come back, we'll get the sway bar link in, and then we'll tighten the rest of it up, guys. So we'll be back.
That gives time to get our torque specs going.
Alright, yep, so we'll be back here in a little bit, guys. Alrighty guys, welcome back. So we're putting the tie rod ends, well not the tie rod ends, but the sway bar links, there we go, sway bar links, putting those back on. And so, yeah, already got the other side done, and so we're going to put these back on here. So I'm going to go ahead and get these nice new guys with some antifreeze, or anti-seize, and a mini-me's and one of those and antifreeze. Well, technically it is about the same because you don't want them to freeze on there. You want the bolts to be able to come back off. So technically you can say it that way and still be correct with the meaning. But yeah, if you want people to know what you're talking about, though, anti-seize. That's the stuff. So, anyways, alright, got that on. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to come up there. There we go. Going to wiggle, sway bar a little bit. And a little bit more. He's not going on. Down, up. Okay. Feels like we're stuck. Yep, hold on. Yep. Not going on quite like it should. Well. Let's see. Alright, I actually put the one on the bottom on first and this one. Well, maybe not. Yeah, huh. That's interesting. Let's see, get it. Look on the sway bar here. There we go. Got it on, guys. Okay, cool. Alright, so what we had to do was, this side anyway, since the other one's already on, you put the bottom in first, on this side anyways, and then you jerk the sway bar up, and that allows you to get the top back behind, and then you let the sway bar go and you're able to slide it into the slot. So a little bit trickier than the other side, but it works. It works and we got it in. Alright. Get these 15 started here. Alrighty. Also too, we had to change the size because these are slightly different than the ones, so we're using let me see here. What size wrench is this? I'll find it too. We'll be using a 5/8 instead of the 15mm wrench on the back. So a bit of a change there. And there's my socket. Okay. So still got all tight stuff, so get this on here. We'll tighten up the bottom. Don't want to hit the brake line too much, but luckily that's just the middle bracket that you're hitting mostly, so it should be pretty good. There we go. Alrighty. That feels tight. Good. Woohoo! Alright, so tie rod ends are on, guys. Sweet. Now we gotta just make sure all the nuts on the top of the strut and spring mount are set up. So cool. Very good. We'll get to that then. Alrighty, guys. So here we go. We're gonna put some NSEs on here. NSEs. Oh yeah, that's the other thing we need to do. Yep, looks like, I like how it looks. Looks good to me. Cool, alrighty. Full hubcap. Things all messed up. I don't know how that happened. Yep. Whole little thing. Don't know how it got messed up like that, but it did, so.
Yeah,
it's weird.
Somebody, and actually that cap goes to the other wheel.
Oh yeah.
Because that wheel was messed up too.
Yeah, so it matches. So we gotta find the right cap for this wheel. Alright, but the wheel's on, so we're gonna keep plugging away. Alright guys, so we got the strut mounts and the shocks all nice and tightened in there. So we are ready to go on that. And we also had about to get all this nicely put together. You got the new tie rod ends. Gonna put some NICs on those. And then we actually had some blood spilt.
Oh.
Look at that.
Oh, where is it?
Yeah, right there on his hand. Yep. Yeah, that chopped metal, man, I hate that stuff. 'Cause I mean, I got nicked on the Camaro several times too. That is bad when you're looking around in there.
Seems like the more you do it, the more you kind of
exactly.
look for it.
The less likely you're gonna get hurt. So, anyways, all right. Wheels gonna go back on here in a little bit. So
I'm probably going to
yep.
I'll put the wheels on. But actually, no, I should just go ahead and start it up now and just run the steering wheel back and forth and see how it feels.
Exactly. There we go.
Make sure it's not getting
Yeah, that sounds good. Awesome. Yeah. Very good. Now she's gonna figure out which hubcaps go into which wheel, guys. That's gonna be interesting. Look at how high it is in the front now. It's a lot higher in the front.
A little bit.
Yeah.
Because it's been hanging up in the air, so the struts have to get used to the.
Yeah, struts gotta get used to that. Alrighty.
Yeah. Looks like we got it towed out a little bit.
Yeah, I see that.
There.
Not too bad.
Yeah, I mean it won't. Yeah,
I might have it turned a little bit too with the wheel.
Sure.
I couldn't.
Yeah, that one might be. Yeah, okay. This angle just a little bit that way.
Okay, so it's a little bit of the wheel then.
Hopefully,
okay, good.
I mean, you hear us say it all the time, guys. The last few years we've been doing this, trying to, line it up the best we can for the alignment folks. So, and I think we got it. I think we got it pretty close.
Awesome.
So, we'll see.
All right, so all that's put back together. You're just gonna torque them down, check the torque and all that, and then we are done with all of that. So that's sweet.
So you just got to work on the. I'm gonna look at this next.
What is this? What's this?
This is the steering link.
Oh yeah, check that out. There you go.
I guess in the car.
Okay.
But anyways, that link from the steering wheel shaft down to the rack and pinion.
Yeah.
Because we don't, we only feel those bumps during like slow, 35, 40 miles an hour on rough and potholy roads.
Right.
It's still kind of a.
Yeah.
You're feeling it all through the steering wheel.
Right.
It doesn't feel like it's the rack and pinion. It feels like it's that link. So
cool.
That looks like it could be a little bit interesting.
Yep.
You got to pile into that door and undo the shaft. You got to go all the way, reach down in here
somewhere.
Yeah.
Find it. Okay.
Well,
but
like
at least overall, all of the suspension parts that we wanted to get in, that's on. So all of that's done, and so that's good.